Gloucestershire, England. 250,000 spectators thrill to a high-speed exhibition of the world's fiercest fighter jets. But when one pilot gets his signals crossed, the air show becomes a collision course for disaster. Two Russian pilots, Sergei Trezvyatsky and Alexander Byeshnov, have come here to perform a dangerous synchronized flying maneuver in their MiG-29 jets. These two close friends have trained for this day for more than a year. When they take off, they have no way of knowing the terror that lies ahead. The veteran pilots start the routine with a daring high-speed pass. Alexander prepares for their next stunt by flying his plane into a reverse loop. Then he disappears into the clouds. Sergei loses sight of his comrade and makes a split-second decision to abort the routine. But suddenly, Alexander roars out of the cloud and smashes into Sergei's plane. The crowd watches in stunned disbelief.
Absolute shock and horror. I've never witnessed anything like that.
Watch again. The impact is devastating. Sergei's wing slams into his friend's aircraft, breaking it in two. Alexander's jet is now a giant fireball rocketing to the ground. Seconds after the collision, Sergei ejects. He cannot find Alexander. All he sees is a raging inferno at the end of the runway. Sergei's abandoned fighter jet crashes into a nearby field. As he floats to Earth, he finally spots Alexander's chute. As we watch again, we can see that Alexander is able to eject from the fiery fuselage just in time. Incredibly, both pilots are able to walk away from the horrific crash. It's a miracle that they made it out alive.